Kids learning English. Learn English for Kids, English educational video. I wake up early every morning. I wake up early every morning. I spray perfume. I spray perfume. I save cleanly. I save cleanly. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. Before work. I eat breakfast. Before work. I go to the gym. Regularly. I go to the gym. Regularly. I drink coffee every morning. I drink coffee every morning. I listen to music while studying. I listen to music while studying. I call my mom every weekend. I call my mom every weekend. I take a shower daily. I take a shower daily. I write in my journal at night. I write in my journal at night. I walk my dog in the park. I walk my dog in the park. I study hard for my exams. I study hard for my exams. I cook dinner for my family. I cook dinner for my family. I travel whenever I get a chance. I travel whenever I get a chance. I exercise to stay fit. I exercise to stay fit. I sleep early to stay healthy. I sleep early to stay healthy. I drive to work every day. I drive to work every day. I work on my projects in the evening. I work on my projects in the evening. I shop for groceries once a week. I shop for groceries once a week. I help my friends when they need me. I help my friends when they need me. I meditate to stay calm. I meditate to stay calm. I take photos of beautiful places. I take photos of beautiful places. I paint during my free time. I paint during my free time. I learn new things online. I learn new things online. I clean my room every weekend. I clean my room every weekend. I drink enough water daily. I drink enough water daily. I dance when I feel happy. I dance when I feel happy. I send emails to my boss. I send emails to my boss. I enjoy watching the sunset. I enjoy watching the sunset. I play video games with my brother. I play video games with my brother. I visit my grandparents often. I visit my grandparents often. I write poems when I'm inspired. I write poems when I'm inspired. I sing in the shower. I sing in the shower. I fix my bed every morning. I fix my bed every morning. I love trying new foods. I love trying new foods. I organize my workspace. I organize my workspace. I check my phone too often. I check my phone too often. I celebrate my birthday with family. I celebrate my birthday with family. I learn new languages for fun. I learn new languages for fun. I enjoy drinking tea in the evening. I enjoy drinking tea in the evening. I stretch before exercising. I stretch before exercising. I prefer reading over watching TV. I prefer reading over watching TV. I make new friends easily. I make new friends easily. I enjoy walking in the rain. I enjoy walking in the rain. I practice gratitude every day. I practice gratitude every day. I relish the opportunity to learn new skills. I relish the opportunity to learn new skills. I immerse myself in thought-provoking books. I immerse myself in thought-provoking books. I navigate challenges with resilience and determination. I navigate challenges with resilience and determination. I embrace change as a chance for growth. I embrace change as a chance for growth. I articulate my ideas with clarity and confidence. I articulate my ideas with clarity and confidence. I enjoy drinking coffee. I enjoy drinking coffee. I walk to work when the weather is nice. I walk to work when the weather is nice. I read books in my free time. I read books in my free time. I live life to the fullest. I live life to the fullest. I embrace new challenges. I embrace new challenges. I lead by example. I lead by example. I express myself through art. I express myself through art. I lead by example. I lead by example. I stay hopeful during tough times. I stay hopeful during tough times. I enjoy moments of solitude. I enjoy moments of solitude. I believe in lifelong learning. I let go of things I can't control. I celebrate my progress. I celebrate my progress. I learn from my mistakes. I learn from my mistakes. I take action instead of making excuses. I take action instead of making excuses. I respect nature and the environment. I respect nature and the environment. I focus on what truly matters. I respect nature and the environment. I plan for the future while living in the present. I plan for the future while living in the present. I make time for hobbies. I make time for hobbies. I take care of my physical health. I take care of my physical health. I build good habits daily. I build good habits daily. I enjoy deep conversations. I enjoy deep conversations. I stay informed about global events. I stay informed about global events. I work towards financial independence. I work towards financial independence. I am grateful for every opportunity. I am grateful for every opportunity. I surround myself with supportive people. I surround myself with supportive people. I invest in my personal development. I invest in my personal development. I appreciate constructive criticism. I appreciate constructive criticism. I aim to inspire others. I aim to inspire others. I challenge myself to think critically. I challenge myself to think critically. I manage my emotions effectively. I manage my emotions effectively. I avoid unnecessary stress. I avoid unnecessary stress. I strive to be kind every day. I strive to be kind every day. I practice patience with others. I practice patience with others. I keep a positive mindset. I keep a positive mindset. I practice patience with others. I practice patience with others. I am open to new experiences. I am open to new experiences. I work on my communication skills. I work on my communication skills. I enjoy spending time with family. I enjoy spending time with family. I manage my finances responsibly. I manage my finances responsibly. I support local businesses. I support local businesses. I enjoy creative activities like painting. I enjoy creative activities like painting. I challenge myself to improve. I challenge myself to improve. I listen carefully before responding. I listen carefully before responding. I stay calm under pressure. I stay calm under pressure. I set realistic goals for myself. I set realistic goals for myself. I enjoy meeting new people. I enjoy meeting new people. I make healthy lifestyle choices. I make healthy lifestyle choices. I make healthy lifestyle choices. I make time for self-care. I make time for self-care. I never stop learning. I never stop learning. I take responsibility for my actions. I take responsibility for my actions. I express gratitude daily. I express gratitude daily. I balance work and personal life. I balance work and personal life. I push myself to do better. I push myself to do better. I focus on personal growth. I focus on personal growth. I avoid negative energy. I avoid negative energy. I love listening to podcasts. I love listening to podcasts. I try to stay productive every day. I try to stay productive every day. I celebrate my achievements. I celebrate my achievements. I work hard to achieve my goals. I work hard to achieve my goals. I take responsibility for my actions. I take responsibility for my actions. I focus on my tasks without distractions. I focus on my tasks without distractions. I focus on my tasks without distractions.